Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I am super excited because I just got back from the Dollar Tree. So I have a haul to show you all, of course. So let's just dive right in and begin. The first thing I picked up is this adorable gift wrap paper. It has these really cute little bears on it. They have like little green shirts, yellow shirts, pink shirts. So this could be for a boy or a girl. So it's super cute and it's for like a baby. Obviously, trying to show it. I have no idea if they've had this in the past. I would say yes. I just needed to buy this. The next thing I picked up was this Crayola, like how to hand letter with Crayola brushes with their markers for beginners. For this one, it's broad line markers and super tip markers, which I have. I think a lot of people do. But I recently have been trying to learn brush lettering and calligraphy, and a good way to start that is with Crayola markers. So I was really super excited to find this. Inside it does have like practice sheets, and it's really nice because the letters are the right size for the pins that it mentioned for Crayola markers. And so that will be really nice. It's for those markers. And so for $1, I thought that's pretty darn cool. And yeah, it tells you the brush strokes, and yeah, for $1, why not? And they did have this other one here that is for metallic Crayola markers or something. And yeah, I guess there is 3 different ones. I did pick up this adorable bag to go along with the baby shower gift, and it just says welcome new baby, and it's got cute little tigers and lions on it, and it's just super adorable. So I picked that up. Not sure if that's new or not. Probably not, but yeah. And then this is definitely not new, but I thought the most bang for my buck. I needed some tissue paper for inside of the gift, and I can also use this obviously for other things besides giving baby shower gifts. So I thought, yeah, that is a pretty good deal, and you get 24 sheets. I'm not sure if you can get this stuff cheaper elsewhere, but for what I needed and the convenience of the fact that I was at Dollar Tree, it worked out. Okay. I'm really excited about this guy. It's this little kitty with glasses, and it sits on your desk or wherever, obviously. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I've seen other people haul this, and I was like, okay, I need that. That needs to be in my house. That's adorable. So yeah, super cute. I'm so excited that I got that. The next item I picked up were these galvanized words. They have this different versions for every season. This one is for Easter, obviously, and it has spring, the word bunny, and welcome. I have a cat named Bunny, so for me, besides the word spring, these are all year round usable. So that's pretty exciting. So I picked those up. And then I got 2 of these mini binders. Okay, I have been eyeing these for a while now, and I haven't picked them up, but I decided to because I'm going to try and make like little sticker books, hopefully without having to use mini sheet protectors, just simply because I don't really want to buy those right now. So we'll see if that works out. But I did buy 2 of them because I think it's a pretty darn good deal. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree this time. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I will have some pictures at the end very shortly. So if you want to see what other goodies Dollar Tree is getting in and might be at your store, you might want to stay around and check out those pictures at the end. If you liked this video, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. It really does mean so much. I thank each and every one of you, whether you are subscribed or not. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you are having a wonderfully beautiful day. It's starting to look like spring outside my window, and it's really super exciting. So yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and if you'd like to see more videos like this from me, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.